got the graphics for the 110. I'm gonna open them up. We'll check out the quality. One from ERA, or ERA. Two-wheeled films branding. Got some buttery branding. More two-wheeled films. Mini plates. Looks like decent thickness. Let's test fit it. Yeah, it looks good.
Go ahead.
Hey, bud.
What are you doing?
Being generous with the water.
Nice.
That's what I was told. This is how you get it on well.
Dude, crock gang?
Crocking.
Are you kidding me?
Whew. You can tell this. You can tell we've definitely put some
Oh yeah. Purple primer on it.
some spray polish on this thing.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be fun. Mr. No Nails.
Oh wow.
It's fine. You can f it up a bunch.
All right, let's move over to a lower surface.
Oh, right on the bike.
Yeah.
All these tables and we're using the bike. No.
Yeah, it's not right.
Just let me know when you want a professional.
It's probably gonna be soon because I'm starting to get irritated.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, send it.
Something ERA does not provide.
Yeah, for real. If you finish this before the sun goes down, we'll be able to go down towards the Sahara again.
I did bring. Oh, is it?
Oh yeah.
I did bring my sneakers just in case.
Oh good.
Just waiting on the game to start.
Seriously.
7 p.m. Yankees Phillies. Season starts today.
Yeah. Halfway through, baby. Let's go. Pretty much. That's it. You're not just gonna lay the bike down, Greg?
No.
Alright. Guy called my grips E-MIGs. ODI E-MIGs. F***ing bum. What are you doing?
More water.
Jesus Christ.
Getting it wet.
What? Oh. Nice. What are you gonna say? Huh?
Oh no.
What? Alright, let's not make this one a f***ing science project, huh? I mean, you made the first amateur mistake when you tore the entire back off, so now the entire sticker's exposed. Dirt?
I don't know. Is it?
Christ.
Looks it.
It's like painful to watch,
Yeah, I know.
to be honest with you.
It's gonna be pain for everybody else to watch too.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut all this up into tiny little bits
Yeah.
of basically us doing this, and all of a sudden you're done.
YouTube may not even see this. It may go straight to Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
Instagram. Two-wheeled films. How do you think Buttery gets his on? What's up?
No, probably just does himself like I'm gonna do, you know.
Could have gone up a little higher because it hangs off a little bit right there, but we're not factory.
Nah, that'll be fine. Once you send your bike into a tree, you know, it's gonna be over.
It only happened once, all right?
Yeah,
we didn't even get on video because we weren't even
First
doing
day.
YouTube stuff then.
First day.
First day. I mean, first day of front fender.
Straight digger.
Can't even see it.
Mm-hmm.
Those little ones you might want to leave till maybe tomorrow and you can work them out.
I already worked the ones out that you left in yours, so.
Funny. Alright, leave it in the comments below.
I mean, I worked yours out, but
No, I still did most of it, so that still counts.
you took the longest time, that's for sure.
That doesn't matter. It's quality. Leave in the comments below who did theirs better, mine or BJ's.
Come on. much, but it's all we got. $10 says it gets a flat.
Sponsor us with some new suspension. I think that would be good.
What, are you maxed out?
I feel it.
Yeah, I maxed out going over that as soon as we got here. The front just
And it almost feels like I pop a tire each time I go across.
Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. I'm figuring once you hit those rocks, you will.
I'm not hitting the rocks. You went over the rocks.
Factory rider, all gassed up.
Arm pump, bud.
Oh no. Just to help out with the vote for later. You're gonna monkey it all the way down? I'd love to see this. The old heel clicker? What are you doing?
I don't know. I just want to see how thick these things were.
Nice and this thick boy?
Thick boy. I also totally thought I could do like pull-ups on it.
I'd love. Go ahead. I'm ready. I got one.
That was like 2. How many pull-ups can you do, Mr. Fit?
Ah, you know, I've been working all day. Did a run. I'm good. At least 2 more than you.
All right, let's see it.
No, I'm good.
Oh, let's see you do 2.
Oh,
You said you can do 2.
Slippery, huh?
That's why I gotta use gloves. 1, 2.
That's it.
Yeah, that's right. I
only did 1.
I did 2.
That's it.
There's 3.
Before I die in this cross.
You got that one. Good enough.
The squeaky wheel gets the oil. It hard, man.
What happened?
Nailed it.
Oh, did you hit the tire?
No, I wheeled all the way up through the jump.
Oh, did
Exactly
you?
what I've been wanting to do forever.
There you go.
The hour there that year was David Ronaldo with a brand new back clip variation. Yeah, Ronaldo came out.
Oh, come on, guys. Someone can joke.
You got two. You want to take two? Take two.
Send it.
You want two for the drive? Yeah, drive. Oh, I guess you Come on.
How much back pockets?
Is that a bear?
Thank you.
Take that. Bear?
Is that over?
Yeah, I thought it was a bomb.
Yeah.
They will take one. Bear? Right.
You saw it. Yeah, stay.
You want a bear? Bear? You want it? I don't want to throw it out. Hey.
Yeah.
Winner. Let's go Yankees!